Mr. Sundu, there is no alternative right now. Your wife requires an urgent surgery to remove the cancerous cells in her pancreas before they spread further. We have tried our best with chemotherapy, but as you can see, the cancer is still spreading.
Doctor, what do we do?
We make a deposit of 500,000 naira and we commence preparation for the surgery.
500,000 naira, doctor? Where do I get that kind of money? Doctor, please help me. You see, I don't have that kind of money. I have spent all I had because of this, my wife's illness. As a matter of fact, I'm owing. I've borrowed so much just to treat her. Please help me.
Doctor, please. Is there like an alternative? I mean, like an alternative treatment you can give to her?
Tried other options, but there's no way we can continue with those ones. The real alternative is this one I'm telling you right now. The information I'm giving to you as regards that matter is just the final thing. You see, I have some patients to attend to inside. And I think all you need to know about this matter is what I have given to you. I beg to leave now. Let me check on that.
You can't just sit by and watch her die.
No.
What do we do?
My wife will not die. My wife will not die. I must raise the money somehow. I must find a means.
Dad, how? How do we raise the money? How do you raise the money?
I have to go and see the chairman of our cooperative. He will find a way.
The last money you borrowed from the cooperative, you have not paid back.
I know, but we can't give up. We can't give up. I'll just try. Let me go and see what I can do. But go and stay with your mother before I come back. Eh?
Please try to get for me.
I will, my dear.
Mama,
I'm here.
where is your father?
Mommy, Dad went to get something.
Mama, I'm tired. I want your father to take me back home. Let me die there. Instead of wasting more money here.
Mom, nobody's dying. In fact, Dad went to get some money. And he'll soon be back. So you see, nobody's going to die.
There's no need, my daughter. I have suffered enough. And I've suffered you people too. Let me just go home and die.
Mom, you're not suffering anybody. I mean, we're not complaining. We are very happy taking care of you. This is not your fault. Anyone can fall ill. So, we're not complaining. We're very happy taking care of you.
Go and call the doctor for me. Let me tell him how I feel.
Okay, Mom. Let me quickly get the doctor.
All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious.
No, nothing. I'm waiting for the doctor. Mom said I should call the doctor, that she wants to talk with him. Yes, and he stepped out, so I'm waiting for him to come back.
Okay. I have all the money required for the treatment now.
Dad?
Yes, I have.
How? How did you raise the money?
I have to sell the car.
Dad, you sold your car?
Yes, now. My wife's life is more important to me than anything. I have to sell it to her. So,
nothing. She just wanted to tell the doctor how she's feeling.
Okay. You just wait for the doctor here. Let me go and meet her. Huh? Okay. Tell the doctor that I've gone to see her, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Honey, I'm back. I have all the money required by the doctor to carry out the operation.
Thank you, honey. But I want to go home.
Why? Please don't talk like that. Eh? The doctor said you'll be fine as soon as he finishes the operation. Please, don't give up. Be strong for me. Be strong for us. Eh? Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I love you so much. And I will ensure that nothing happens to you. Okay?
I love you too, honey.
Yes. I love you too. The doctor needs to see me. He's asking for me. Yes. With the money, please. Let me go. Come.
Mom. Mom. Mommy. Mom! Doctor! Mommy! Doctor! 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 I think she was really
She is dead. So, Ross,
Mommy! 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 Wait, no, wait, no! Mom? Mommy! Mommy! No! Mommy! No! 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 No!
What is it now? Mama? Mom?
Where is the doctor now? What happened to my mom? What happened to her? What happened to her? Calm down, what happened to her? What happened to my mom? Doctor! Doctor! What happened to her? Mom? Hey! Hey!
You hate happiness.
Hey!
You like to put tears on people's face.
Hey!
You hate harmony. What have we done to deserve you? Please come back to me, Mama.
Hey!
Mama. Please come back to us, oh, Mama. Please come back to me, Mama.
Hey!
My only sibling. Oh, how do I go, sister? I feel so alone.
We're here. Yes, sweetheart.
Hey!
He wrecked the entire family. Everything was spent. It's just not to spend everything he had. We contributed. The woman suffers. If you ask me, let her just rest. How many years? Did everything, chemotherapy, everything. Yes, this.
Mom, she's in a better place. Just stop crying. You're making me feel really sad.
She was like a mother to me.
I know the
Since I
whole
lost
story.
my mother, she's been there.
I know the whole story.
From Omugo to motherly advice. What do I run to again? What do I run to? Julian Agini, son, you are gone. Just like that, like a breeze.
Sorry, calm down. Mommy, calm down. Calm down.
I am trying to calm down, don't worry.
It's okay.
Mama, calm down.
I can't. Hey!
Osondo. Dịka m gwakwara gị agwa. Iwe gbagagide. Ochigide ntị iwe mebi. I told you that your wife's sickness was not ordinary. Usina Millie, she's from the water. Ezewanyi Demili told me everything about her. Just a little sacrifice. She wouldn't have died.
Waeko, if you were not my sister, I would have asked you to leave my house this minute. I just lost my wife, and I am mourning her. Are you here to mourn with me or you're here to mock me? Tell me.
What's on the Lugosino down? Eh? You would have walked me out of your house. Eh? Well, I've not come to mock you. Eh? I only came to tell you what you should know that you don't know. Or are you claiming that you don't know?
I'm telling you that I don't believe you. My wife died of cancer. And not by any demily or any deity you're talking about.
Hey! Nemo, it's the one you demily boga. Hey! Me, I'm also from the same water. Yes, have you forgotten? When we were growing up, I used to fall sick quite often. Until our father did all the necessary things. Idemili would have taken me, I would have died by now.
So have you stopped falling sick? No, answer me if you have stopped falling sick. You still get sick now and then and have been responsible for your hospital treatment. Look, if Idemili's sacrifices or whatever you did to it are so effective, how come you were still falling sick? It would have healed you completely of those illnesses. So what are you talking about?
Osandi, if you go if I want to make, if you go, you're too stubborn and so doubtful.
I am not stubborn. Yes, I'm only enlightened.
Enlightened? Ukmana na elene n'ọkụ, osini ya na-ara mmanụ. The problem is that the people of this generation, they have abandoned the oracles and the deities. They were protecting the ancestors. They no longer care for them. Nobody is feeding them. And that is why they are reacting. Even maybe.
The deities you are referring to, if they are hungry, they should go and hunt for food for themselves. Where do they live? Is it not in the forest? Can't they look for their own food? Look, I just lost my wife and I am mourning. Allow me to mourn my wife in peace. Pico, okay now.
Anyway, I know you go when I'll be going back to the village tomorrow.
Dad, I don't know what to do. I've lost a whole session in school. I mean, a whole academic session. Like, that's a lot. I mean, a session is a lot. Should I just marry all these people, one of these suitors that are pestering me? Because I don't know what to do.
No. My daughter is not going to get married until she finishes her education.
And where will the money come from?
You have just one session left. Don't worry. God will provide. I still have one plot of land at the outskirts of Lekki. I couldn't sell it when your mother was sick because there was no buyer. But now I have one. I will sell it and I will ensure that you complete your education.
I don't know what to say, Dad. I don't know what to say to you. But thank you.
That was a promise I gave to you, my children, that I will ensure that you complete your education to any level, and I will keep to that promise. You see, when your mother's sickness became so bad, all your so-called suitors ran away. And that is why I want to advise you, my daughter. Gone are those days when women depend on men to survive. You are going to make sure that you bring yourself to a level where you can fend for yourself. If and when the need arises, times have changed. So you must be self-dependent, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
No worries.
When I think it's over, when I think I've lost all, that is when God says,
This guy don't feel.
Uchi. Uchi. Uchi.
What is it? Can't I enjoy myself?
No. I've been calling your name, you've been hearing me, you refuse to answer.
Okay, what is it?
I'm going back to school. I need for you to give me your word that you take good care of Dad. He's lonely, he's stressed. Don't add to it, please.
Chioma! Chioma! Sometimes I ask myself if really I'm your elder brother. The way you talk to me anyhow, like you are my mother, not even my kid sister.
No. I'm simply advising you as your only sister to please take care of Dad and not add to his pressure.
Me, giving that pressure.
Yes.
You know the problem with you people here is that you have refused to embrace the truth. And I will keep saying the truth. Was I the one that made him poor? His mates, are they not governors, senators, billionaires and millionaires? What thing they do when they poor? No. Do you know? Do you know if you ask me? Just I don't want to say it. Do you know that Dad killed Mom? Because there was no money. If money came on time, this woman would have survived.
Show some gratitude. Hey, graduate. That is because of him. There's food on the table, there's a roof over your head. That is Dad. Show some gratitude, please.
Chai. Chioma, chai. So this one now beans and rice is food. Abi? Graduate for how many years now? As you show gratitude.
You are so impossible.
You are possible.
Chioma, you're possible. I beg, go and pack your load there. Go back to school. If you like, go there. I've been doing this good girl. I fall into one Yahoo man or one idiot hand. So I know now you go there now. I'll be following men. You want to do God now, good girl. Jesus, stop! God, I will fire you. Oh.
See, I never knew that men can cook perfectly like this until I saw this boy's post. Look at it.
Of course, Mom. Don't you know that some men cook better than some women?
Really?
Of course.
So why are your brothers not cooking?
Maybe because you spoiled them.
Excuse me? I never did.
Okay, maybe they're lazy. They don't want to do it. They don't want to.
Maybe they're lazy. I love his cook. Oh, let me take this call. Hello, Chioma. You are welcome. My dear, please manage it like that, huh? You know things are very hard these days. You are my blood and I will always do what I can do to help. Safe trip when leaving. And don't forget to give me a call when you get there. It's all right. Stay safe, eh? Bye. That was Chioma on the phone. She'll be going back to school tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice. I like Chioma a lot. She's very caring and she's a nice person.
Yes. She is nice, like her late mother of blessed memory. Oh, I can't believe my sister is gone. I can't. That's alright. So, look at what he made. This one is African salad with sliced tomatoes and onions on top and garnished with oil bean. You know oil bean, Oba?
You've given me a tip of what to cook tomorrow.
That's my daughter. So when are we making this?
Tomorrow.
Lunch or dinner?
I didn't.
Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Hey! Harampa, harampa, chichi banyo, biangorara, haragene, haramonke, monke, negwe kosada, bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum, bum bum bum. Do you know me? I said, do you know me? Hey, my name is Chief Doctor, Engineer Reverend Native Doctor, Chief Original Doctor, Clifford Okurora, aka Okwanmadaka Naya. Obu mmadụ ka a na-aya. Okay. That is a breaking news. A breaking news. I want you to stay tuned. Don't move. Because I have an update. I'm going to feed you with the update. I'm going to feed you with every news that is happening in this city. If you move, I move you. If you talk, I'll talk you. If you kick, I'll kick you. Clifford. See? I don't pay.
Josh, the main man's house. The first son and legitimate bona fide first son's house. So anything you want is for you. You understand? Call me Josh, baby. Yeah. Ooh, sugar.
Your house is so beautiful.
Thank you. It's yours, baby. Let's go inside.
Of course.
Let's go inside. Lock the gates.
Wow.
I feel like you You like it?
I love it.
I know you will, sugar.
Your house is so beautiful.
Yeah, this is Josh's house. Like I said, bona fide and legitimate first son of the family. So whatever you want, just say it. To be delivered at your footstep.
Oh my god, okay.
Yes, baby. Now let's turn this house upside down. Let's turn it blue, red, white. Let's take
I'm pink!
Yes. Whatever it is you want, say it. They will bring it for you. You are in Josh's house, okay? Even if you want a car, I will buy you a car.
You buy me a car?
Yes.
Oh my god, baby, you buy me a car?
Yes, of course, baby.
Oh, come here. Then you buy me a car. Oh my god, I can't wait to be a car owner.
You won't kill me. You won't kill me. Stand up and dance.
Oh, of course.
Dance for me. Come on, baby. Come on.
I will dance for you.
Yeah.
What is this?
No.
So after all the warnings from daddy, you still go ahead to bring a girl into the house?
No, you're back.
It's okay. You're so terrible. What was that?
Hey! Problem. Serious problem. I don't know why she came back so early.
Hey, let's finish what we started.
No. See, you have to come around. You will put me in trouble. See, in this house, we don't do this kind of things here. When she said, after all the warnings. See, I'll sleep outside. Baby, my love. Wait. Baby. No, wait. No, it's okay.
Please don't touch me.
It's okay. Girl is just a small girl. I'll take care of you now. Eh? Okay, let me see what let me handle that. No, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. This is your stuff. Alright? Alright? I'll come and pick you up.
Okay, baby.
But right now, just to remain this happy. Oh, yeah.
Ada! Ada!
Yes.
Sit down. You're not going to tell Dad and Mom what you saw today, will you?
Of course I will. Why are you disrespecting us like this? This is the third time you're doing this and I've covered you so many times. I can't anymore.
Well, I don't blame you. You're still a very small girl. By the time you get matured, you will understand how this thing works. Hmm?
Lies. Is Emeka not grown up? Why is he not behaving like you? Your junior brother, yet he behaves so responsible and more mature than you.
Are you mad? Eh? Is something wrong with you? I said, is it because I didn't welcome me slap? How dare you compare me and that fool, Emeka?
Why not? Everybody knows Emeka is better than you.
If I slap you.
Okay.
I've taken enough of your insults. Now let me warn you. Let today be the first and the last time you will ever compare me and that non-entity in this house. If you try it again, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
Then you should respect your...
Sorry I shouted at you. Alright? Like I said, you're still a small girl. You don't really know how these things works. But you will as time goes on. Okay? I want you to know whatever you want. Whatever it is you want me to buy for you, I will do it. But you must promise me. Promise me you won't tell Mom and Dad what happened here today.
Promise you what? Of course I'll tell them. This nonsense has to stop. Excuse me.
Ada! Ada!
Yeah, like I told you before, my name is Obi now. I just came back from the UK after my studies. So I'm trying to open an ICT business here in the country.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Oh, alright, now you're home. Do you mind we'll go for lunch?
No, I can't do lunch with you. Like I told you, I need to see my dad, and I'm actually dating somebody now, so it just will not be proper.
Okay, because I'm new here. I don't have a friend. Anyways, no problem. It's alright. Let me give you my card. Yeah, okay. Have it. Have it. Feel free to call me in case you change your mind.
I'm not changing my mind about getting married, but thank you very much.
Because we can still be friends. Hmm?
Thank you for the ride.
All right, you're welcome.
Oh, my daughter.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey! You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, I'm glad you made it.
Finally.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Finally, you made it.
Yes, and it's all thanks to you. Thank you so much, Daddy. You did everything. You broke a leg to ensure that I got here today, and I'm so thankful.
Oh, what is my work? No, what is my duty as a father? Look, I promised myself that every single child of mine must attain the highest level of education that he or she desires.
Yes, you
You
did.
know, don't mind these rough time that came in and all that. I'm not
No,
bothered.
Daddy, you did great,
You know?
and I'm so thankful. Really, I am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You see, you made a very long journey, so you need to rest.
Yes, I did.
Go inside.
Thank you. Where is Dikeh?
He went out for an interview.
There he is.
Uche!
Who am I seeing?
I'm back.
I beg. Nice to see you.
Same here.
Look at you.
Me what?
You're looking good. This school favor you.
I'm looking good.
You're looking trim. Look at you now. Yeah, that's right. Look at how trim you are.
I'm looking good.
I swear you are looking good.
After all the stress, I'm looking good.
That stress is good though. Me, I need that kind of stress.
Where are you coming from?
My sister. Job interview again. I'll get back to you. But they will never do. The big men in our society have cornered the jobs for their sons, their friends, or their relatives. It's sad, my dear. You know now, I've tried to start up at least something for myself, a business. No way. I've searched for a job for everywhere for more than 2-3 years now. Nowhere. They will ask, who recommended me? Or do I have 5 years experience? Where will I get that experience from? Whilst in school?
You have to take it easy. Things will fall into place with time.
Fall into place where? There is nothing falling into place for poor people like us in this country again. Everybody to fight for themselves. I have tried getting a job for myself. For how many years now? No funds? Papa no gets now. But I went to the bank for funds, at least loans, to start my business. For where? The banks will ask you, where is your landed property or house? Will I build house whilst in school? My sister, everything is frustrating. Anyway.
Uche, enough of these stories of woe, please. Huh? Look, let me tell you. We need to just do the right thing. Okay? When we continue to do the right thing, God will bless our hustle with success. All right? So let's not badge out with all these stories.
Did he bless you? Did he bless your own hustle? I beg, Chichi, what did you bring for me?
I didn't buy anything.
No, don't say that.
There's nothing in my bag.
Don't say that.
Let's go.
You can't say.
In my
You are. Is it not here? What have you been doing?
Ada? 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 Yes, let's go. I want you to help me do something. Take this money. Help me buy recharge card, 500. Then use the remaining 500 to buy whatever you want.
I'll just buy your airtime. I don't want anything.
Yes, she just stepped out. Right now. Yes, do the needful.
How are you? My friend, Hi, Joshua.
Yes, he's around.
Okay, please, there's a still a secret I want you to help me. Let me tell you, just help me to tell him that.
What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what, Pano? Meaning of what? Just the secret that I want you to hear me. I just. Okay, but you know what? I will see you later. Yeah? You'll be there. I will see you later. Ada. See you. Bye. Snap me photo. Snap me photo. Hey, snap you photo. That photo will put you in the trouble. If you snap with me, no problem. Snap me. No problem. I don't have problem. Very soon, you people will hear from me. All the secrets will be open. By who? By who? By who? By who? By Clifford.
What kept you so long?
Nothing. The woman, she was...
Don't bother. I already know what kept you this long. So Ada, at your age, you now go about hanging around boys.
What?
What do you mean what? If you ask me that question again, if I slap you, all your teeth will fall down.
Brother, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about. So, all you do now is go about kissing and hugging boys outside, in public, on the streets.
Stop it, brother.
What do you mean stop
I didn't
what?
do anything now.
You did what? You didn't do what? So I'm just blabbing. I'm talking rubbish. Okay, wait. Didn't do anything of that such. Stop it! Stop it! You're doing like earthworm. Wait. You didn't do anything. You've been shaking like maggots. You didn't do anything. We see the evidence now. And now what is this?
Oh my word.
Your wall? Which wall? You don't have any wall here because if I... What is this?
What is this?
Are you asking me? I should be asking you that question.
No, I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything. So this is just Photoshop, right? If you talk again, now if you must know, a good Samaritan sent these pictures to me and said we should caution you, warn you to stop doing all this because you're too small for this.
Brother, you know, it's that time I was coming back from buying the airtime. It only stopped me on the...
And you guys held yourself and kissing yourself so closely in public or in the streets.
No, it's not true.
It's not true?
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. Let mommy and daddy come back.
Yes.
When they come back, we'll know what.
No, now, please, brother, please don't tell them anything. I don't do anything. I know, I'm not there. I don't do anything.
Oh, I should not tell them. Hey, wait. So I should not tell them. But you will want to tell them what I did. But I should not tell them what you did.
I will not tell them, I promise.
You will not?
Yes.
You will not? Okay, no problem. Hey. At your age, you're doing all these things. No problem.
Brother, now, please. I promise I will not tell them.
You promise?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Please now, brother, please. I will not tell them, please.
It's okay. Stop crying. Let's make a deal. You will not tell them what I did. And I will not tell them what you did.
Yes.
Deal?
Deal.
Deal? Deal? How many times did I ask you?
3 deals.
3 deals?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, brother.
Will you come back here? Hey, wait. You want to go out? Have I finished with you?
I was going to the room.
Oh, yeah, kneel down. Kneel down now. Now listen. Anything I tell you to do now, you'll be doing it very fast. Are you hearing me? Now you will go to the kitchen. Prepare noodles for me. Hot one. You will make sure that all the ingredients are inside. Pepper, carrot, cabbage, even a hot dog. If there is no one in this house, you go and look for it and put it inside. Are you hearing me? Now get out. Hurry! Small girl. This is what happens to those little things that are not your business. What will I do with this card now? Let me call Tony and send it to him. It's useless to me. Can you imagine? Tonero!
Joshua, my man. What's up?
You a bad boy.
Bad guy. What's up now?
You're not a bad boy. See, respect yourself. Don't do that kind of thing to my sister again.
Abby, I told you that I would deliver. I told you.
Okay, wait. I'm going to send you the card she went to buy. So that you use it, load it in your phone. Where everything worked out perfectly.
Anyway, no problem. No wahala, no wahala. Later now, let's meet at Wanyocha's place. Remember what you promised me, oh. Isazon.
You need to see the way she was shaking. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Hi. Small girl. Hey.
I know wherever you are, you can hear me. Maybe see me. Good news. I'm done with school. Just like Dad promised, he did everything humanly possible to ensure that I finished. I'm here. But you're not here. And you can't see me. Or maybe you can. I'm hoping that you are proud of me. I'm very happy. I miss you. I miss you so much. What? Good news again. Your baby girl is getting married. And his name is Afa. Afami Funa. A gentleman. And somebody I know you would have loved.
You are so wicked, inevitable. I have seen and believed. You have taken away the joy of my heart. After much suffering, that you took away, Mama. Mama, please come back to me, Mama. Mama, please come back to us, oh, Mama.
My only sibling, oh. How do I go, sister? I feel so alone.
We're here. Yes, sweetheart.
Hey!
You wrecked the entire family. Everything was spent. It's just not to spend everything you had. We contributed. The woman suffers. If you ask me, let her just rest.